Hey guys, I just wanted to share a little update before the sun goes down. So, in previous videos, you may have seen my seedlings as they begin to get bigger. I've had to repot them, and I previously had them all sprawled out here. You can see the markings on the ground still, and I had this rack to kind of put some of them on, but then I ran out of space pretty quickly. So I've expanded and added this rack. So now I have a lot more organization and I can get them up off the ground. I am using more of the vertical space in my tiny backyard. And this one I really like because it's got wheels, so I can do some modular stuff with it. I can move it around if I change my mind about placement. And I think I will probably have to move this when it rains pretty hard because it deluges off the house here, and I don't want it to get just drenched and drowned when that happens. So if I have a lot of seedlings in this when it rains, then I will move it. So right now I've got all the cacao seedlings in here, and I got a little bit of the lychee right here, and more cacao and tamarind. And then down here I have the jackfruit, which has not sprouted yet. I did dig up a couple of the seeds and they have broken out of the seed, but they haven't come out of the soil yet. So I'm just kind of covering them up so that they don't lose all their moisture. And then I check it every couple days to see if it's broken the surface. And once it does, I'll take this off and let it get that sun. But yeah, I just wanted to share this kind of reorganization of my systems here. It's was sorely needed as I've become more of a plant hoarder, I guess. Who knows what I'm gonna have to do once all of these get bigger. I'm gonna have to pot them up again, and then it'll take up way more space. And the other thing is, this has helped me move these cacao, because cacao is more of an understory plant. From what I've researched, they can be more adapted to full sun over time, but in their natural environment, they are an understory plant. So I began to notice some sun damage. So I really wanted to get them out of that spot that I had them in and into a more organized and shaded spot. And since I had so many of them, I couldn't easily do that. So I had been mulling over a system like this with a shelf for a little while, and I finally went for it. And I am very happy with the way it turned out. So yeah, that's just a little bit of my reorganization planning that I've got right now. I'm sure it will continue to evolve. Who knows, I may get another of these shelves if I become more obsessive and growing more things. And might take another turn when the jackfruit sprouts. Who knows what'll happen with that. So in addition, this pairs with another update that I have for you about adding more shade cloth to the garden back here to additionally protect my seedlings from the sun and the summer heat, certainly. So that'll be the next video.